Hi everyone, welcome back to CrochetRocks. I have some happy mail all the way from the USA, all the way from Teresa, Sattersfield. And I have a knife at the ready, a steak knife that's seen better days. I wish I could varnish the handles to make them look nice again, because they're really good knives. So I'm going to be careful opening this up. And the annoying thing was, I knew this was coming, but obviously you don't know when. And she messaged me saying it was out for delivery. And then I had to go. And I thought, when I got home, went shopping that, the day that she said it was out for delivery, but they kind of crossed. And I had one of those "we missed you" parcel notices. And I thought, oh no. And they would try and deliver it tomorrow. And I thought, I'm leaving tomorrow. So I hope they deliver it before I go. And they didn't. So Gary messaged me, your parcel's arrived. And I was nowhere near it. Oh. Right, so there's things and stuff. Let's see. I've got no web balance in this. Let's see what this is. What does that say? I might need my glasses. It says, thank you for... It's gold. It's hard to read. Supporting my small business. So this is... I'm nearly there, guys. Ooh. Got a Dammit doll. I was going to get a Dammit doll some time ago. Is it from Billy? Because does it say, whenever things don't go so well and you want to hit the wall and yell, there's a little Dammit doll. Just grab it firmly by the legs and find a place to slam it. And as you whack the stuffing out, yell, damn it, damn it, damn it. So I have a Dammit doll, finally. It was Billy, wasn't it, that made these? Dammit doll. I like the colours. Thank you so much. That is so cool. Finally have my own little Dammit doll. Here she is. Should we name her? Should we name her? We need give my Dammit doll a name. Obviously, it'll be called something Dammit because it's a Dammit doll. But maybe we'll do a little competition. What do you think? I got a Dammit doll. Wow. Thank you so much. There's more. There's more. There is definitely more. She said she'd made me something. She's made me an alien in a spaceship. She knows I'm a space cadet. That's why. I have an alien. He's gorgeous. And he's green, a little green man. Look, I love his ship. Isn't that brilliant? Oh my God. That is fantastic. I love it. Thank you very much. I got an alien. Oh wow. Thank you. My own little alien. And oh, I know someone who's gonna like this. Someone's gonna try and steal this. Capybara. Got a little cappy. Look how cute he is. Got a little cappy. Oh bless. Do you know, I was thinking of making one. I was. Thank you so much. I really, really appreciate that. This box is beating me up. It's just so me, isn't it? You know me so well. Teresa, you know me so well. Oh, look. I've got an alien. I can't believe that. That is so cool. And, oh, there's more. You know, I have some bod yarn. That colour, I just love that colour. She did send me some of this before, and I'm so glad to get more because I want to make something big with that now. Oh, I do love that. That is Tonal Hues by Bag a Day. And I love these colours. She makes the most beautiful... Well, I don't think she makes it. Obviously, Mary Maxim make it. But they are fantastic. Your Majesty Queen. This is called... Well, we have a king now, but, you know, just saying. Oh, isn't it lovely? That is such beautiful colours. Now, Stylecraft bought out a yarn that was kind of like this, and it's called Horizon, and I sell it in my shop. But the colours are nowhere near as vibrant as this. That is gorgeous. I'm not going to get that out of the packaging, so I want it to stay in there. But I have got some more over on my shelf, and I'm going to make something. And I have the blue. Those are my two favourite colours, and I think she knows that because I must have said. And she's such a sweetheart. Oh, this is called Melancholy Blue. They are both just beautiful. I love them. And now I have quite a bit of this. I'm going to make something big. I'm going to make something good with that. Thank you very much. Absolutely gobsmacked. My gob has never been so smacked. Is that packaging? Yes, it is. But this, another little package. What do we have here? I love my alien. I absolutely have got that on my mind. I do love my alien. What's this? It's a babam. What's the F for? Is it an F-bomb? So if I feel naughty, I can just say F-bomb. It's brilliant. It's an F-bomb. I love it. And I love my alien too. Look at that. And my Dammit Doll. And the Cappy. Oh, there's more, guys. Seriously. I love it. I really do. Thank you so much. Thank you, thank you, thank you. What is this? Jacksonville. Oh, it's a fridge magnet. Look at that. Looky. That's cool. We save a fridge magnet. Whenever we go anywhere, we have to buy them. You know, we've got a much bigger fridge too now, fridge freezer. So that's cool. Thank you very much. And I got this bookmark. It says Tabby Cat and Dragon. Look at that. How lovely. Fly. It just says dragon. But it's obviously dragonfly. They've missed the fly off. It's lovely. Thank you very much. Thank you, thank you. There is more. It's this. Oh, and there's... Wait. I've got a little dude. I've got a Jesus, and he loves you. Jesus loves you. Look at that. Isn't that cute? Isn't that sweet? Oh, bless. That is so cute. Thank you. And there's more. And a card. But I'm going to open the card before I look at the last bit, because I've found the card. Oh, it's very sticky. Very sticky. Oh, it's very pink. Sugar and spice and everything nice. Oh, got some bucks. She does that in case I get customs. Hopefully you will have enough of Crystal's yarn for a project or two. I will now. Okay. I made the alien for you and the Cappy for Harley. I knew she might have put that for Harley. The Dammit Doll F-bomb I purchased from Rose. Rose likes crochet. Okay. I thought it would be Billy, because maybe Billy's not the only one making them now. But it's from Rose. Damn it! Come on then. Let's name the Dammit Doll. Let's name... It's got to be a D, isn't it? Like Dolores Dammit Doll, or Debbie Dammit Doll, or Donnie. I used to love Donnie. Come on, guys. Think. What do you think? So do we have this one? There's more. I think that's just packaging, that one. Yeah. So let's put that down there. But not just packaging. It's big, fat poppers and little poppers. They're going to keep me well amused. They are. I love them. Oh, this is so cute. Look. Never seen anything like it. Isn't that lovely? Oh, I'm going to put him by my bed. He can watch over me and stop me from being a naughty girl. Because I am sometimes, you know, bad thoughts and cuss people, and you know, not always perfect. And it can inspire me. That's what we got in here. It's, what's that say? Let's have a look at this first. This says, oh, upside down. I've been busy. Oh, I won't read this out loud. She thought I might enjoy these. Oh, what? Grogu Nilla wafers. Oh wow! Then he eats those blue things. They're called Grogu Nilla Nummies. They're wafers. Mandalorian and Grogu only in theaters. So, oh look, yeah, and we went out earlier and we got this drink called Mandalorian Blast. Oh, there's so much Grogu stuff at the moment. But yeah, I remember he was eating those blue things. Oh wow. I wonder what they taste of. You get £5 off the ticket, but not for him, I guess. That's a little too much to ask, isn't it? Well, it's got all of the things on the side. So let's have a look. It doesn't say it the same as us. It's got a gram of protein. It just calories, cholesterol. About 10 servings per container. 20 wafers is your serving. So if I tried one, it wouldn't be too bad, would it? If I just tried one. Wouldn't knock me off of my diet. Carbohydrates, 8%, 21 grams. Isn't it gorge? Thank you so much. I've been totally and utterly spoiled. So thank you. And you've been so busy. Teresa's been so busy with moving and selling a house, buying a house, or building. And all of the contractors. Love this. Oh my God. Next time I see Harley, you're going to love it. Yeah, she's been so busy. And to think of me through all that, seriously, don't know what to say. Thank you so much. And I've wanted a Dammit doll for so long. I nearly bought one off of Billy, but she didn't. I messaged her and she said, "Tell me what one you want," and I told her, but she didn't tell me how to pay for it. So I kept saying, "I need to, pay you for it," and I never heard any more. Maybe she just didn't want to ship it overseas. I don't know, but this is going to get plenty of use. I'm a bit hot-headed sometimes. You don't actually see that side of me, but it's going to happen. I try not to knock your stuffing completely out, but it is going to happen. It's going to be, damn it. And it's such a 24 thing, isn't it? Damn it, Chloe. Love that phrase. Oh, bless. Thank you so much. I really, really appreciate it all. Absolutely. Over the moon. And these, I'm definitely going to be making something good because I have about another 3 in this colour, I think. Can't remember exactly my totals of this now. That's where the yellow is up there and the green. And I think I'll put the purple. Purple. The blue's up there. I've got 2 red ones over there. Purple. I don't know where the purple is right this minute. It's on these shelves someplace. Anyway, but I've got a few more purples and some more blue. So I've got 6 at least blue to make something with. Yay. Just need to get back in the swing of making stuff. And I love the card. Look at that. That is so pink. Space Cadet. She knows me too well. Space Cadet, anger management. She definitely knows me. This is what she made me last time. Let me move Grogu. She sent me a Grogu. That might not be the one she sent me. I don't think it is. She made me this last time. And I've got my poor little guy over there. He's a bit hidden at the minute, but this chap here, and that, did she send me more than one Grogu? I know I got, this is the Grogu that she sent me last time, because he's got the shaping and he's got the fur. So yeah, he's kind of my favourite Grogu. Although I do have quite a few Grogus. I think Gary bought me this Grogu to cheer me up for something. I don't know what it was. Perhaps it was my eye. I don't know. But I obviously needed a bit of cheering up, so I got a Grogu. But this is the one that she sent me before, and it's got the fur trim. Look, he's so cute. So cute. I absolutely love it all. Really. I've got my little Christ. Look. And fridge magnet for the fridge. And some goodies. I've got Grogu snacks. Grogu snacks. Absolutely. Blown away. Thank you so much. You are an amazing friend. And I love this bag as well. So, you know, I said earlier, I did my video, and I was saying about how Julie sent me some Happy Mail once, and it had this bag, and I love it. Great for putting yarn in and maybe a project. Now I've got another one. Look. So, yeah, I can use the bag as well, which is brilliant. And I definitely will be, because it's jazzy and snazzy. So thank you so much. I really absolutely love and appreciate all of it. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Don't forget, in the comments, let's name the Dammit doll. Let's do it. There might even be a little prize. See you on the next one. Bye for now.